Hey guys, how are you? So today we are not reviewing anything. Today we have a just regular vlog. Well, I have a recently sentimental days because I'm flying back to Poland from Chicago. I really like the city life and suburban life, but I really want to go back to mountains. I really want to go and reset my brain and breathe deeply with fresh air. We have a plenty of trails, we have a plenty of beautiful cities, small cities, larger cities, we have lakes everywhere, amazing food. I just want to go back and reset. I really like Chicago and I really like Chicago suburbs. It's something about mountains. I never thought like this gonna be so strong in my head. After like few years in like Chicago area, I start thinking again and again every day about not maybe like going back permanently, but being half time here in USA and half time in Poland, because I really like to live this outdoor life and have this really fun. This is the fun I really live when I can ride a bike, when I can walk the trails with friends, families, when we can do retail outdoor stuff. And this is completely different transformation from the Chicago area of Chicago, as you know, is super busy. So I'm not gonna show you the nightlife when people are partying, but actually I'm gonna show you the beautiful side of Chicago when no one is there, streets are empty. This is 4:30 a.m. morning when there's no people around. It's so silent, so beautiful. Oh my god. Beauty of these skyscrapers and buildings is just something really unique. But just going to Chicago at night, so nice, so quiet. Serious. For me, the best Chicago I have ever seen. The night Chicago where no one, literally no one is there. It's just calm, peaceful, quiet, and beautiful.
moment. We check it in. Bag is here. 2 laptops and backpack. Fully loaded.
Business class seats must be in their full upright and locked position. Please brighten up the windows and stow movable monitors. Please ensure that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. This is how to fasten, adjust, and open it. Your seatbelt must be fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated.
We have a new one, electric, versus the old one. Look at this. Isn't this fantastic? So beautiful. No rush. I'll wait until everybody get in. And the last one. No pushing, not standing in the lines. As you know, full comfort. No one's here, no one's here. Oh,